Hi guys, my name is Brianna Schantz. I am an English literature major at the University of North Georgia. I'm super excited to be reading Sleepy Bears to you guys today. Sleepy Bears was one of my favorite books growing up, as you can tell by how worn the cover is. It's really fun and cute, and it's a great book to read right before bedtime or nap time. So let's go ahead and get started. Sleepy Bears by Mem Fox, illustrated by Kerry Argent. The days were growing darker and colder. Mother Bear shivered and called to her children, come in, my beautiful bears. Winter is here, and in winter we sleep." "Bedtime already," cried the bears as they tumbled inside. "Oh yes," said Mother Bear, "but there's plenty of time for your own special rhyme if you climb into bed and snuggle in tight, without any fuss and without any fight." So the little bears jumped into the soft feather bed and pulled up the covers as fast as they could. Baxter Bear was the sleepiest. He yawned a big yawn. There's Baxter Bear. Allie Bear's fun to watch because he's always doing something different in bed. Right now he's eating cereal. Mother Bear kissed Baxter Bear's sleepy head and said, "Sleep, my darling pirate, let your dreams come true. Battle other pirate ships with your fearsome crew. Raise the skull and crossbones, breathe the salty air. Find your treasure, count your gold, and sleep without a care." And Baxter Bear fell fast asleep. Then Mother Bear said, "Now who's the sleepiest? Who will be next?" Bella Bear yawned a big yawn. Mother Bear kissed her sleepy head and said, "Close your eyes tightly, the circus is here. You swing up and down, and the crowd gives a cheer. You glide through the air with incredible ease, for you are the star of the flying trapeze. Sawdust is swirling and lanterns are bright. Sleep, little dreamer, be happy tonight." And Bella Bear fell fast asleep. Then Mother Bear said, "Now who's the sleepiest? Who will be next?" Winifred Bear yawned a big yawn. Mother Bear kissed her sleepy head and said, "Dare, dare, double dare. Where is the tiger asleep in his lair? You creep through the jungle while old chimpanzees chatter and roar from the tops of the trees. A tiger, you're onto his trail. A tiger, grab hold of his tail. Dream of adventure, dream without care, and sleep very soundly, my brave little bear." And Winifred Bear fell fast asleep. Then Mother Bear said, "Now who's the sleepiest? Who will be next?" Toshka Bear yawned a big yawn. Mother Bear kissed her sleepy head and said, sleepy head, eyes so green, travel through kingdoms where you are the queen. A crown of diamonds for your head, and gorgeous gowns of silken thread. A splendid throne and castles grand, and you adored throughout the land." And Toshka Bear fell fast asleep. Then Mother Bear said, "Now who's the sleepiest? Who will be next?" Allie Bear yawned a big yawn. Mother Bear kissed his sleepy head and said, Allie Bear, tummy all tight, dreaming of scrumptiousness all through the night. Chocolates and candy, sugar and spice, ices and syrups, and everything nice." And Allie Bear fell fast asleep. I would love to have all that candy. Then Baby Bear yawned a big yawn. Mother Bear smiled and said, "I know who's the sleepiest. I know who's next. She kissed his sleepy head and said, "Sleep, my sweetheart, sleep, my bear, your cradle swings in the evening air. Moonbeams touch your precious face, and stars float by with gentle grace. Sleep, my sweetheart, have no fear. Sleep, my darling, I am here." Then guess what happened? Both baby bear and mother bear fell fast asleep in their soft feather bed. And all of them slept until spring. That was Sleepy Bears by Mem Fox, illustrated by Kerry Argent. Thank you guys for listening. It was super fun to get to read that to you and share that with you. Again, I love the book so much, and I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. Bye!